going on, everybody? Today we got the Jeep in the shop. Today we're going to be doing front, upper, and lower control arms, and if we have time, I'm going to fix my rock lights. They're going to get fixed if I don't run out of time today, so let's get this up in the air. So in a perfect world, it would have been nice to do one brand, uppers and lowers, but it was around Christmas time and I was on a bit of a budget. So for my uppers, I did Rough Country. Much nicer than the soft ones, that's for sure. And for the lowers, I went with a Terraflex. Terraflex looks nice. Nice and beefy. And I'm replacing them because the bushings on my stock ones, they're shot. There's nothing left to the bushings. These are the parts laid out here. Rough Country was nice enough to send me one nut and bolt, so hopefully I am able to reuse one of the ones that are already on my Jeep now. Alright, so I'm going to start by taking them off one at a time, and then do all four, take them to the other side of the shop, and hopefully we can do an alignment on it after we're all finished. Oh, that's good. Yeah, they're doubled up. Well, I'm an idiot because as I'm taking apart the front here, it dawned on me the new control arms don't come with bushings on the uppers. So I just ordered those. Those will be here tomorrow. I'm going to tackle the lowers now because, as you can see, there's bushings on both. So I'm going to finish the uppers today. Sorry, I'm going to finish the lowers today, tackle the uppers tomorrow. We're going to start tackling the lowers. That was a very Monday thing to do. Right, so this is them side by side. Much nicer, brand new. Mess up number two, I just mounted the driver's side backwards. So now I have to flip it, put it on the passenger. Luckily, I noticed before I finished putting the passenger side on, but you live and learn. On contrast there. It's not done right because it's not done in place. There we go. That looks more correct. Alright, so the lowers are all done. I just gotta wait for the parts man so I can do the uppers on both sides. Morning, we're back in the shop. Got my new bushings. So we'll get these old ones pressed out and we'll get these new ones pressed in. There's one old one. Right to the new one here. As you can see, there's a huge difference in size. Strength and durability, hopefully. the old, in with the brand spanking new. And just like that. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, line it up as close as I can with what I had on there before, the stock one. And then I'm going to repeat that side to the passenger side, which I'm not going to show, I'm not going to bore you with it. It's going to be the same process, just done again. And then drop it on the ground, torque everything to spec, and then we'll bring it over to the alignment machine.
I guess that's why safeties are more money. Yeah, man. Kill that. Here. That's what they want? Yeah, man. No. 240, yeah. Pretty hard to go 240 right on, I'll tell you, with skill factor. Want me to hold your thing?
Jeep's all ready on the alignment rack, but we gotta go out towing, so I'm just waiting for the truck to come pick me up. Should be here any minute. Then we're back on the Jeep. Good morning again, day number 3, finally doing the alignment on the Jeep. See how it looks. So I gotta get some measurements right now. Top of the axle, I'm assuming to the top of the spring perch. So we'll get those 4 measurements all the way around. So you guys ready for all the red? Wow. I was wondering why I was having such issues trying to drive this thing. Alright. Alright, the alignment's all finished. I just have to torque my upper and lower control arms and it should be all finished, so fingers crossed that it's going to drive straight and feel better. I'll let you know if it doesn't. Alright, everything's all torqued. I'm going to drop it, take it outside, take it for a ride, and hopefully the steering and the alignment, the caster issues, hopefully that's all in the past for now. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And I'm feeling